I'm in New Farm Park. And this is a beloved tree, guys. From it's an ibis there. I don't know what she's doing there. But have a look. They've actually fenced it off, maybe to protect the tree. Maybe it's a very, very old tree, and also for the animals. Have a look. All the crows are finding food, including the ibis, finding worms. Yes, this used to be a park I used to come to when I was younger, guys, back in the late 80s. So yes, not sure where it's fenced, but yeah. Very sad to see that a lot of the green areas are not here anymore. Very little left.